Buy crypto on EasyCoins. How to buy crypto through person-to-person trade on EasyCoins. Before starting the P2P trade, just want to tell you that EasyCoins won't have any commission in the P2P trade. This trade will be in between buyer and user sending those USDT or receiving them. EasyCoins will just provide a platform to exchange your currencies. I will click here on Buy Crypto. There are two options, P2P trade and third party. I will go for P2P trade. Let me tell you guys the concept of P2P trade. It is person-to-person trade between two local persons, where you will send the funds from your bank account to a local person in local currency. They will send you the USDT in your crypto account on EasyCoins. Create an order. I will enter here 10 USDT, which is equal to 832 Indian rupees, and will click on Buy. The order has been successfully created, and now an exchange official will send USDT in my crypto wallet. But first I will have to transfer 832 Indian rupees into his bank account. This is his bank account information. After sending him 832 Indian rupees, I will click here on Make the Payment. Here I will enter my payment transaction IDs and click on Confirm. And you should be waiting for the seller to release the USDT. The usual time is 30 minutes. Please rest assured that the seller's USDT has been pledged on our platform in advance. If you pay after the other party does not release, we will automatically transfer the funds for you after the determination by the punching system. Now I will go to my assets, click on Spot Assets, and you can see I just received 10 USDT in my account, which means that now I can make my first trade. This is his WhatsApp information where you can personally contact him in case you didn't receive the payment. The only thing you need to do is investing now. Sell crypto on EasyCoins. How to sell crypto through person-to-person trade on EasyCoins. We will click on P2P trade and we will sell. For selling, we will have to enter USDT. And in exchange for USDT, we will get Indian rupees. So I will enter 2 USDT there, and in exchange, I will get 169 rupees and will click on Select USDT. After clicking on Select USDT, I will be asked please enter the fund password. My fund password is already set, but I will tell you how to set the fund password. For that, you will have to click on your account. After clicking on the account, you can see it is saying me to set the fund password. I will click on the fund password, set any password, and again enter the fund password for confirmation. After entering the fund password, I will get an email on my Gmail. I will check my mail and I will have received a confirmation code, and I will enter that confirmation code in the fund password section. As I will enter the confirmation code, my fund password is set. Now again I will go to the P2P sell section and will enter the fund password there, which I just created, and click on Done. Now my order will be created successfully. After my order is created successfully, a page will open automatically and all the details will be shown there. In those details, I will know that in regards to my $2, how many Indian rupees I will get, and will get my payment in my bank account in 30 minutes. And if the buyer doesn't transfer the money to your account in 30 minutes and you won't click on Confirm, the order will be canceled. And in case there is any query, then EasyCoins customer service is also available, and besides that, EasyCoins mail and WhatsApp number is also available. You can also contact them there if you are facing any problem. And our order is successfully created. After the created order, we will wait for a few minutes and we will receive a message from EasyCoins in our message section that another party has marked the payment complete. Please confirm the receipt after checking the assets. You will have to check your assets in your bank account, that if they have transferred 169 rupees in exchange for $2, if they have sent, then click on Confirm Receipt. So the money is transferred. By the way, I was about to message them to please send my $2, and meanwhile, I received a message that your money is transferred. So now we will check whether the money is transferred or not in our bank account. This is my bank account detail. I have an IMPS bank in the name of Abdullah bin Zubair, and further are some details of my bank. So I have received my money in my bank account, and I will click on Confirm Receipt. After clicking on Confirm Receipt, my payment is confirmed. Now when I will go on my Spot Assets, I will see that my 2 USDTs are deducted in my foreign account, and it has transferred 169 Indian in my bank account. This way you can sell P2P. The only thing you need to do is investing now.